So at its simplest operation in Multicam Clip in Final Cut Pro 10, we can use it to do something like sync this piece of DSLR footage with audio that was recorded separately with probably a Zoom recorder for double system sound. And it's this is like its most basic operation, and it's quite simple to do and fast to use it for something like this. So if I was to select both the clips and right click it and choose new multicam clip, I can close up any of the more advanced preferences and just use the most basic settings that are there. I'm just going to name it after this clip. I'm going to have it use audio for synchronization, so it'll use the actual audio, the scratch audio from the camera and the good audio from the external audio recorder. Hit OK. And it's going to go to work synchronizing the clips. This should be pretty fast. It's already analyzed the clip because I did this before to make sure it worked, and there we have a brand new multicam clip. Now I don't see any footage in there, but I hear audio, so I know that this should have worked. So I'm going to just right click there and say open in the angle editor, and there we have what is called the Final Cut Pro 10 angle editor. And I'm going to just turn off my audio waveforms. I don't really need to see them to save some screen real estate. What we've got here is the different angles in this particular clip. Up top here is the audio only angle, it's green, and below is the video angle. As I scrub my playhead across, you can see when I'm scrubbing up top here that the playhead line runs up and down throughout the whole timeline. So that's basically playing everything in the timeline depending on what's reflected here in with these little icons. Right now, the video is turned on for what was the audio only take, so we can't see any video up here in the viewer. But now if I pull my my mouse down, you'll see the little the playhead turn to this little scrubber bar in the angle that's below. So that's the angle that I'm currently scrubbing and looking at. So in this case, what I would do first is move over here to the right, and I like to keep my audio only angles all the way on the bottom. So I'm just going to drag this down on the bottom, and I'm going to turn on the video for the actual video track. So now I'm looking at the video for the video track here for the only piece of video I have, and monitoring the audio for the audio. When I hit play, I can see the sync is dead on. Now if I wanted to compare the sync with the scratch audio, I could actually just go over here and turn that piece of audio on there. That sync sounds good, but I don't want to do that. I want to just leave on good audio and the good video. So now I say, you know what, I've got a nice synced up piece of footage in Final Cut 10 using the new Multicam.